Okay, good afternoon, folks. It is the 13th of June 2010. I'm just going to do my outlook for the euro yen for the week ahead. Um, Probably a fairly quick one, this one. There's not really a great deal going on here. We're still sort of in the middle of the move, bearish on the weekly and bearish on the monthly, having broken through the previous lows that we made there in 2008. But yeah, so I mean, middle part of the month, we're kind of taking a breather here. Basically, the move here was caught at this 121.45 level in terms of the thrust analysis stuff. It looks kind of like we're at a fairly critical point here in the market. We've actually made a bullish thrust on Friday, and we failed the bullish thrust support turn resistance, which was removed last Friday, and we made it all the way up there and failed there on the Friday. As I was saying, we were kind of looking at taking a sell as we hit that level. Some of the guys, I think, gave it a go. Let's see, 111.05 I believe is the level. Yeah, so I mean, as I was saying on Skype, we actually sort of hit the level and there was no signal. So I mean, I would just leave it. After that, I would just leave it and wait to see if, I mean, if it's a missed opportunity, it's a missed opportunity. I would wait for another day, maybe for another attempt on it, rather than keep taking all the attempts all day. So yeah, it's a bit of a funny one now. So I mean, looking at this, I mean, a close below 110.28 will bring this market back into being bearish, and it would be quite a good signal, that, because obviously failing that 111.05 level to the close, and then a quick removal of that 110.28 level would be quite bearish. So that would be a selling level going forward. Removal of that 111.05 level to the close on the daily would just basically kind of make it a bit more mixed. Wouldn't really give the bulls any more advantage, I wouldn't say. So it would just kind of be a case of standing aside if that level was removed to the close. But yeah, so I mean, looking at it, we've obviously have failed this 111.05 level to the close, but the DeMark stuff wouldn't have got yen. Obviously, on the daily chart, the full risk here would be, I think we looked at this, sort of 250 pips. So it's quite a high risk, considering the market's already had quite a big prolonged move down. If we had a scenario like that and we were up around here in this level when we've just removed the bat support, then yeah, it would certainly be worth risking, but not where we are at the moment, I wouldn't say. Yeah, so nothing really doing here apart from keeping an eye on that 110.28 level. If that can be removed to the close, that could trigger another leg down. So yeah, we'll just keep an eye on that and take a look again on Monday. Okay, cheers.